What's going on, guys? It's your girl Naksu and I'm back with another video. It's currently 8 a.m. and we are going to be vlogging today. So I'm finally getting my PC, and you guys know it's high time I got a PC because I need it for my dream setup, for work, stream, gaming. It's just a lot, so you guys know I just need to get an upgrade. We'll be heading over to Microcenter later today in an hour or two, and we'll go get the PC parts. We'll ask them to put it together. I'm not sure we'll be able to pick it up today though, but we'll go back to pick it up when it's ready. So yeah, that's just what we have for today. So I'm just going to go get ready and I'll be right back. So I'm back, guys. I'm done getting ready, done with my prayers and stuff. I just want to film like a little get ready with me for TikTok and Instagram. And this is what the setup is looking like. When I'm done, we'll be heading over to the Microcenter with my friends. So that's just it for now. Okay, we are here and we got here pretty early. We are 10 minutes early, but that's fine. We are going to wait. And while we wait, I'm just going to tell you what I'm getting. So I'm getting an AMD build with the budget of 2,500, and I hope I'm not going to exceed the budget. But with the way RAM prices and PC part prices are going up day by day, that's going to be something that is hard to do, but we'll try to stick to budget because I don't even have money, bro. I don't got that much bread, guys. I'm broke. But yeah, that's just it. We're just going to have to wait for a bit before we go in. Want to build a PC?
What size PC do you want?
I'm like a mid-to. Do you have the Lianli Compact 001? Oh, sorry, 011. Yep.
These are
you
both
have
pricing
something with
lines.
998 X3D?
I have this one 9850 X30.
The motherboard is what?
Asus 870.
Okay, so what do you think about that one?
This is one of my better bundles, to be honest. For a 5070, I don't think you need
How many RAM comes with it?
32.
16? Or just
16.
Or the 64?
So let's do the 32 bundle.
One stick? One stick?
No, two.
It's 2 sticks of 32.
Oh, okay.
Then if you want, you can add the 2 fans on the back as well. Where is it?
Okay.
You can add 2 fans on the back if you want.
Yeah, we're not gonna do that now because the prices is jumping. Like, how long does it take for you guys to build the whole?
I might be able to do it today. I could talk to them, have it done today.
Yeah. So do we have to like wait or come back?
So no, you even come back. It takes a couple hours, maybe, depending on. I don't know if it's gonna be the first thing they do. I don't know if they have a queue. If they don't have a queue, they'll work on it right away, and then they give the record number down.
Right.
Or as for the PC.
Okay, you guys, I just need to check myself out. Like, I look pretty as always. I look warm.
They're definitely gonna get it done.
Oh yeah? So there's no queue. Probably gonna take like a while.
I'll take a couple hours, but
We'll still get it today.
yeah, today. It's still the morning, so.
Yeah, that's good. So guys, I just got back home and it's been like 5 hours since Microcenter said they're gonna send us a text, but they still haven't. I'm guessing the PC is taking much more longer to build. Oh, I don't even know what's going on, guys. Like, what's going on? But yeah, we are still waiting. I just got off work. I'm really tired. I'm just going to go sleep while I wait for this PC, bro. That's just what I'm going to go do. I'm so tired. So guys, I woke up an hour ago. I had iftar, I prayed, and I've just been chilling since. I've been on my phone just doom scrolling as we always do. I was already thinking Microcenter was not going to send me a text anymore today, but their text just came in and the PC is ready. So we just have to go pick it up. It's raining right now. The weather is like bad, but I think we'll see go tonight, and if not, we'll probably go in the morning. So I'm just going to go check with my friend because he's the one taking me around. Like, yeah, I need to check with him to see if he's available so we can go. So let's go to Microcenter, guys. So we are just heading there, and I think I don't like the PC fans, bro. Like, I'm fried.
So here's a patient who has bilateral temporal.
They sent me a picture, and I think I don't like the PC fan. Oh my gosh, bravo, am I fried? So I think I finally got an agreement with the sales rep, and they are just going to like fix the fans. They'll just replace it. I'm glad they can replace the fans without taking out the AIO. If not, I'll be cooked. I was already thinking about my life. I'll just wake up in the morning and be vexing because, bro, I'll just be pissed anytime I see the PC. So like, let's just go talk to him in person and see what he has to say. And I hope we come to terms on something, right?
It depends per time what it is. So like fans, if we're doing it at a different time, it's $30 per fan. For example, for the all-in-one cooler, if we're changing that, that is $80. So your case has a glass top on it. It originally had mesh. To put the AIO on top, I need to put that mesh back on. And there's 2 brackets I need to put to get that back up on.
I mean, I don't want you to put it up. Since you can take it out and put the Lianli fans on it, there's no need to put it up then. Maybe we should go look at the fans right now.
Yeah, go see what we have. And then, like I said, it's $50 for us to change it.
Okay, can you like check the fans that I have on it right now so I can go check for
you have the LCD one. The ones you have on the bottom.
Right? Yeah.
Take a picture of this box and then we can show the guys in the back.
So we ended up getting extra fans. I'm going to just swap this out. Yeah, man. I don't know. We'd have to come back to take my baby tomorrow, guys. This is crazy. This cost like $270 extra, bro. This PC is going to $3,500 already. Spent $200 extra. I mean, it's not even up to $200. Shit, the rain is a lot, bro. We didn't spend up to like $200, but yeah, we spent more. So it's all right. It's all right. We just need to get the perfect build, right? That's just it. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, so guys, it's currently the next day and I'm so tired. Like, I've been busy all morning. I didn't get enough sleep last night. I only slept for like 2-3 hours. I was busy streaming, doing some stuff last night, and I didn't sleep till after Fajr this morning. I slept like 8 o'clock. And I've also been busy creating content, doing chores. I'm supposed to go to work now. It's like 1 p.m. right now. And I'm supposed to be on my way to work. But I'm just chilling. I needed to update you guys. We still haven't heard from Microcenter yet, but I'm giving them to like 3 or 4 p.m. and we're going to hear something from them, bro. Like, I'm missing my PC already. Like, I've not seen it though, but like, I'm missing it. I just hope it turns out nice, because for the fans, so basically I got the TRYX Panorama 360 SE for the AIO, right? And I also got the Lianli UNICEF fans. I think I'm saying that correctly. And I also got the Lianli UNICEF fans, right? So that one has LCD, and I was thinking they were gonna put that on the side panel and put the AIO on the top panel. But yeah, I made a mistake too. So I was supposed to get like 2 fans instead, if that was what I was going to do. So now they put the LCD on the bottom and they put the panorama on the side panel, right? So I went there yesterday. I got extra fans, but this one doesn't have LCD because LCD is way more expensive. It's like $153, and I already made a mistake. I'm not going to spend more again. We already spent way past the budget, like 3K. So I was trying to, minimize my spending because my pocket is already crying. So I got more fans. I got pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fans. Now what they're just going to do is we're going to leave the LCD on the bottom. The fans with the LCD, we're going to leave it on the bottom. Then we're going to swap out the panorama fans for the Lian Li fans. So we're not going to be taking out the AIO, they'll just be swapping out the fans, and they're also going to add the remaining 2 fans on the side of the PC, on the back side kind of. Oh yeah, I hope they do everything correctly and we don't have any problem, but I doubt we should have any problems. I don't think we are going to have any problems. We are going to just go pick it up and I'll be showing you guys like the first impression, what I think, the PC in my setup. I just can't wait, guys. So I'm just going to see you guys later. I need to get to work. So bye, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm back at Microcenter and I just got off of work. My friend literally came to pick me up at work. Friend.
What was the name?
Harry beside her.
Hold on, you gotta refresh it. What was the last four?
1197.
1197?
Yeah.
But there's plenty for you to develop. My first PC build and I'm so happy with how it turned out. This is the full build and I got the Lian Li 011 case and the PC is powered by the Ryzen 9 9950 X3D chip paired with the Asus Prime RTX 5070 for the graphics. With the MSI Pro X810 EP Wi-Fi motherboard tying it all together, and for the cooling system I got the Trix Panorama 360 AIO with a LCD display on the pump head and Lian Li fans all around for airflow and the aesthetics. And that's my all black PC specs built for gaming and productivity at the cost of $3,500. I built this temporary setup to test it out and I played GTA 5 RP, which is a GPU intensive game, while also streaming for a few hours and it was running smoothly and even the fans were pretty quiet. Alright, so that's it for today's vlog. I'll be making a dedicated videos for the specs and performance, so make sure to like, comment and subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video.